Hello everyone and welcome again in a new video tutorial. Today guys I'm going to show you how you can make a bootable USB key or USB flash disk for Windows 10. So if you would like to use this USB key for installing Windows 10 on a computer or to repair a computer using a bootable system, then this video is for you. So first of all, you will have to make sure that you have a USB flash or USB disk which has more than 7 giga. Like for example here I have 14 giga. 8, 9 is more than enough. The second thing, make sure that you don't have any data in your USB stick because everything will be erased and USB has to be completely formatted before the operation is done by this process. So the next thing which we'll do, you will go to your browser and you'll type download Windows 10 ISO and you will open the link related to Microsoft. You will find the link below the video, www.microsoft.com/software-download/Windows 10. You can open it in a new window as I did, and you will click download the tool. So we'll scroll down to create Windows 10 installation media, and we'll click download tool. So we'll just save it now, and we will go for our file and we'll click on it to run it. Now the application will start working. You see this Windows sign, it will disappear and then it will reappear again, and then the process can start. So one of the things which you will have to make sure also is that check which computer you want to install for it Windows 10. If it's a 64-bit computer or 32-bit computer, because this is important, there is incompatibility errors happening always. Why either you want to install it or either you want to repair a computer, you have to make sure that you have the correct version. So now we'll just wait a few seconds to up to 2 minutes until these few things get ready for Windows, and then we will continue. I will just stop the video. Oh, there is no need actually. So we'll just click accept, and we will wait again few seconds until Windows finishes its stuff, and then we should be enabled to do the next step. So now we'll just wait a little bit. So now guys, the next operation is create an installation media. Please make sure that you have enough time because the operation of creating bootable USB or installation USB flash, it will take few minutes up to 15 minutes maximum depending if you select one version or two versions. So now we'll just go and click next on creation of installation media. And here it detect automatically your computer version and stuff, so you will just click use the recommended option. You have to unselect it, and then you select which language you want, and Windows 10 of course, and which architecture you want. If you want 32-bit or 64-bit, I would suggest to you to get a 14 gigabit or 32 gigabit USB stick and select both. It will take longer time to make it, but it's more useful for you as you can use it on multiple computers. So for instance, I will just select 32-bit and we'll just click next. Here it is asking me to make sure that I have the correct edition because I have the 64-bit architecture on my computer. I don't care. I want it for a 32 computer, so I will just click OK. And from here, we have to select USB flash drive. And as it says here, it needs to be at least 8 gigabit, which is the case. So I'll just click next. Here it show me my USB key. If you cannot see your USB flash drive, then I would suggest you just to click refresh drive list, and then it should be fine. And to make sure that you have selected the correct one, if you have multiple link to your computer, make sure to select the correct drive letter. Here I have E and C, so E is my USB stick, and that's the correct name. So I will just click then next. And Windows is saying that getting few things ready, so we'll have just to wait until the progress is done. So we'll just stop the video here because this operation will take few minutes, up to 10-15 minutes maximum to make my USB stick ready, and then it should be fine and we should be ready to go. I will just stop the video here and then we will continue afterwards. So now guys, the operation is over and unfortunately it closed very fast, so we'll go and check if we have USB stick for Windows. As you can see here, I have my USB stick. I changed the drive letter for a little problem with my computer. We'll go on it. And here we have our setup. For people who are asking if you want to install it on a different computer, then you can just use this USB stick for installing on multiple computers, but make sure just to select the correct architecture. And if you want to repair, then you will have just to go to the settings of your computer. For example, you want to repair the computer which you are working on, and make sure that you start the advanced mode and that you use your USB stick for starting from it. So as I said, you have just to go to the settings section and you will have to click on update and security, and you go to recovery, and from here you click advanced startup, you click on restart now, and you will be your computer will restart, and then you will be prompted to another menu where you will be asked if you want to boot from your USB, and from there you can choose repair or fresh installation. You will see this in our next video with more details and more explanations. I hope this video tutorial was useful to you guys. If you still need help or assistance, you can always contact us by leaving a comment or leaving us a message. Thanks for watching. Please, if you would like to encourage us to continue to provide video tutorials, don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.